In 10th grade, I scored 94% in my boards. Automatically, a lot of people suggested that I go for engineering. This is a story of how I came to find out about design, and I decided that I wanted to pursue it in the future. Hello, my name is Nehal Kale. I'm currently studying in 12th grade PCM from SNBP International School. As a child, I was really into solving those riddles and questions that you get in those logical books, and it was something that I was really fond of. And even those Discovery channels, I really loved watching all of that, and new facts and new information was really something that excited me. So from the beginning, I was always inclined towards the creative side. As I came into 9th grade, I was searching for something that I wanted to pursue, and through a career fair in my school, I found out about design. So this career fair was set up in my school, and there were a lot of colleges, lot of fields that were being introduced to students, and one of them was design. The stall was actually being put up by MySiva, so I got to know about MySiva through the career fair. I found out that the teacher who taught me back in 3rd grade was actually at the career fair, and he was the teacher of MySiva. So it really surprised me how I met him again after all of these years, and I was really happy, and I took the pamphlet that they gave me and I read about it at home, and I researched about what design is, and as I learned more about it, I felt like it was something that resonated with me, something that I would be able to pursue, and something that sparked my interest from the beginning. After 9th grade, in 10th grade, I was still looking more information about it, and in 10th grade, I scored 94% in my boards. So automatically, a lot of people suggested that I go for engineering, and even because my sibling is also pursuing engineering, I was automatically encouraged that I should pursue engineering. But I was always firm that I was not going to pursue engineering. I was always firm on that decision because it never interested me. Design was something that interested me the moment I read about it. In 11th grade, I was looking for classes so that I can prepare for these design entrance exams that I found out about. And I visited a lot of classes to prepare myself, but none of them really helped me. इतने सारे मैं classes गई, लेकिन वहाँ के environment और teaching methods जो थे वो मुझसे resonate नहीं कर पाए. मुझे हमेशा चाहिए था कि जो teacher हो वो मेरे खुद के work पे मुझे feedback दे, मुझे force करे कि मैं think करूँ ज़्यादा, मेरी creative ability को बढ़ाना चाहिए. तो इसके लिए मुझे जो classes में गई थी पहले, उसमें मुझे इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लग रहा था जितना मैंने पढ़ा था डिज़ाइन के बारे में पहले. तो व्हेन आई फाउंड दैट पैम्पलेट अगेन दैट आई ब्रॉट फ्रॉम द करियर फेयर, आई वांटेड टू विजिट द क्लास. आई केम टू जॉइन MySiva, एंड आई नोटिस दैट द टीचिंग एनवायरनमेंट वाज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैड बिन बिफोर. यहाँ पर जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल है टीचर्स के साथ, एंड वन-ऑन-वन बात कर सकते हैं, अपने असाइनमेंट्स के बारे में फीडबैक ले सकते हैं, एंड ये सब चीज़ें जो थी वो मैंने पहले क्लासेस में नहीं देखी थी. सो इट वाज समथिंग वेरी न्यू, एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट बिकॉज आई कुड गेट पर्सनल फीडबैक ऑन माई वर्क, एंड आई कुड talk about what problems I'm facing or what I should improve on, and I would get personalized feedback about it. एंड जो टीचिंग मेथड्स थे वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट थे, जो टास्क थे वो भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. सो द टास्क दैट वी वर गिवन, दे वुड मेक मी वांट टू रिसर्च सो मच. तो मतलब घर जाके बाकी सब छोड़ के बस वही करने का मन करता है. तो इन सब चीज़ों से मुझे लग रहा था कि डिज़ाइन ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है और ये ऐसा कुछ है जो मैं करना चाहूँगी आगे. And I am still very positive about this field. That is my story about how I came to find design as a field.